Hello there, I'm Tommy and I'm the author of the book of Explorational Journeys Part 1 and the Self-Help Guide. As previously in the last video, we were discussing the prologue of the book, and we were starting to understand the starting of your creative journey. As we continue, we will be on to activity 2, exploring your why. Goal: connecting with a deeper purpose beyond your creative journey. Steps. Step 1. Reflect on what draws you to create. Is it healing, joy, connection, or self-discovery? Step 2. Write a short paragraph or journal entry about why this journey matters to you. Step 3. Place your reflection somewhere visible to remind you of your why. Reflections. How does understanding your motivation inspire you to keep creating? Yes, so exploring your why is very important. No matter where on your creative or explorational journey of emotions or connections with others, or your own self-discovery, connecting with your inner child. So don't forget to follow and click the link below, and it'll be really great to hear some of your comments as you go on this creative explorational journey with me. Thank you so much for your time and have a great day.